AdW1 sent me some shifter cable bushings. So let's stop wasting time and get into it. So first things first, you need to remove your air intake, your battery, and your battery tray. Thankfully, I have an aftermarket intake, so this is going to go easy peasy. After you have the leads off, disconnect this guy here. Is it the 12? This bolt. This bolt. This bolt. So what you just saw was me removing the ECU bracket, unplugging the ECU, removing the bracket, because I can see another bolt back there. So now we can see the stuff we need to do. One pin here on this guy. The other guy's right back here, right where this rubber boot comes to. There's another pin right over here. AdW1 doesn't want to have you utilizing this rusty crusty old washer. So what they give you is your bushing, but they include with it a little collar. So that's nice. So we're going to go ahead and throw this in. Oh yeah, that's a lot more solid right there. So it's not fitting on that way because the little collar is sitting on the edge of this, but it's not seating. So I got to figure something out. So we're just going to give it a light little sanding down. Now we're going to see the tubes. So, I don't know if you can tell, but what I'm doing is I'm spinning it. As I'm spinning it, this back here by this part of the cable is where the lock collar doesn't really want to go on to the new bushing. So as you spin it and you move this part of the bushing over to this side, then it finally will seat underneath and be happy. Then you put the new pin in. such a tight fit, it'll actually like really stiffen things up. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, I just sat in the car. I jiggled the shifter around, threw it into all the gears, put it in reverse and everything. It's a lot notchier. It feels really nice, really tight already. I haven't even done the base bushings, which are going to be coming next. And I just didn't show you it because you can't feel what I feel, and there's no way to like show you on camera how it feels. So yeah, there you go. If you want to do it, that's how you do it. Now I will say I was a little bit sketched out sanding down the area where the bushing fits in. I wasn't quite comfortable doing that, but knowing that this is all solid aluminum compared to this little rubber guy, rubber and plastic, I wanted to take the shot. And it paid out because it's a lot notchier now. It's a lot tighter. Yeah, I mean, hey, if it's a tight fit, explains why it's so notchy. And so, yeah, I don't know the words. We're good.